Hello guys, I'm back. It's been a while since the last update, and partly because my camera broke. It's just stopped working. It's a Canon G7X Mark II. I just got a fix. It's been away for maybe 4 weeks or something, 5 weeks. Just got back today, and I'm starting filming today. I'm going to see if I can mount a 1J set or see how much I need to modify. I'm afraid I maybe need to modify the oil pan. Not too happy about that, but what can I do? You know, oil pan is pretty expensive, so maybe I'm gonna weld in that one. But we'll see. Good day guys, I'm just here in the shop welding some stuff. The clock is a little bit over 1 in the morning, so I'm pretty tired right now. I'm in the making of engine mounts for the 1J set, so here they are. So I cut off some stuff from the subframe over here, and I welded on a piece with some nuts on them, and this piece is bolted down to the on the other side, also over here, and these are bushings, and I'm gonna weld the tube over here to the engine and over here to the engine. So these are actually polyurethane bushings to a Subaru, I think. I watched the internet, and I found a guy in USA that did these kind of mounts, and to his E36 with the 1J in it, and they worked out fine, looked good, easy to maintain, easy to get the engine out, and it's very strong. So, and I also noticed when I took the other engine out, I had metal to metal, like engine block to the subframe, and there were some cracks in the subframe. I didn't like that, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it goes good, but we'll see, we'll find out. But for now I'm going to call it a night, and see you tomorrow or next weekend. Good day guys, it's now the next day, it's Sunday morning. I'm in the shop again because I can't get the engine mount out of my head, and I'm trying to fit the engine right now, and it looks like I can't get the engine where I want because of subframe. It's hitting over here, as you can see. So I don't know what to do yet. I thought of just cut in the subframe straight through and weld the plate, like cut and on all the way to the other side, and weld the plate in so it still gets to be strong. Or maybe I should just cut it here, weld the plate on, and bend the tube underneath and weld mounts for the steering rack on that tube. I'm not sure yet. And the 1J is in the bay. So it didn't go as I planned, because I actually planned to maybe cut in the oil pan, and when I came to do that, I did not want to do that, so I cut the subframe instead, and I'm gonna build a new subframe around the oil pan, as you can see over here, because it was pretty much no room at all subframe to the oil pan. See over here. So I cut the subframe. I'm gonna weld some plates over here on this side and make a tube, bend it around so it goes a little bit further down than the oil pan, so the pan doesn't hit the ground. So hopefully the engine is mounted correctly with where it's positioned with the gearbox and everything. I doesn't have the gearbox yet, but yeah, I'm happy, satisfied that I got it in the bay and it's finally mounted. So next up is building a new subframe from underneath and mount the steering and see so everything works, because I welded a jig for the steering so. Oh, so the engine, oh, it's the wrong way around, man. So I did this jig before I cut the subframe, just to see where I have the mounting point for the steering bracket over here. So hopefully that's gonna fit. It's gonna be the same place that it was before. So then I'm gonna have like a steering come down over here somewhere, right up the side of the engine. That was all for this time. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.